Hi dear Gemini, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Geminis and Moon Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. Okay, the rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story, honey. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start, Gemini. Okay. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, honey. Let's see what we have. We have the Knight of Wands. So this is someone who is on and off, in and out of your life, and this person might be. This is somebody who likes fun. Who likes to do fun, a lot of fun, a lot of doing this and that, and not stopping. Yeah. So this is somebody who feels very attracted to you, but at the same time, this is someone kind of younger person, younger energy, or an unstable one. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands here as their feelings for you. Let's dig deeper. Ta-da! We have the Tower, the Page of Pentacles, the Hierophant. So somebody's realizing, like, this is someone who is feeling out of the blue certain unexpected kind of energy of getting committed to you, coming towards you with some kind of marriage or commitment or long-term partnership kind of an offer. This is strange. So this is strange for me as well. This is strange for them as well. So there are very high chances of this person being younger to you, quite an age difference, and or somebody who is not that much stable in their life emotionally. They feel like they should come forward towards you with some kind of, again, commitment kind of offer, and this is shocking to them as well, the way it is shocking to me. Yeah, somebody's realizing the kind of energy that you give them is that you might be the one for them. Wow. So the player is kind of, not the player actually, player is a wrong word here. So somebody who's not that much serious is feeling a very serious kind of energy towards you suddenly out of the blue. Wow. So maybe they're falling in love. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Five of Pentacles. You're feeling left out in the cold. You're just counting your losses and your blessings, and you're trying to stay calm here right now. Okay. Let me clarify the Five of Pentacles, honey. We have the Magician, the Seven of Swords, the Four of Cups. Wow, you're very hurt, Gemini. My God. You are hurt, you are disappointed, you are hurt by multiple people, multiple betrayals, multiple things coming out to light, and all you're getting is disappointment over disappointment over disappointment. So you feel like manifesting this energy of getting the proper clarity and getting the proper insight in each and everything in this particular dynamics, and moving on to the next chapter, because whatever happened, you can't change it, but definitely you can move to the next chapter of your life with whatever blessings and lessons and disappointments you have gone through. Wow. I'm so sorry, Gemini, that you're going through this, but this is quite painful. But the good news is that you have gone through the worst and now you are preparing for the best. That's the good news here. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Okay, Gemini. Six of Pentacles. Their intention is to balance it out with you somehow. If they were on the receiving end all the time, they were just receiving and not able to give you. Now they are, they want to give also. They want to participate in the situation equally from their side now. Okay. Let me clarify the Six of Pentacles. We have the King of Cups, the Judgment, and the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. See, this is an individual who likes to be independent, who doesn't want any kind of boundaries in their life. But in this energy, they want to put in the effort and energy, and they want to see where things can go, and they want to, put their independence also on risk. to understand what can come out of this energy of them putting in the effort and energy in this direction. But they want your equal participation as well. If this is making any sense to you, this is somebody who likes their independence a lot, but for this situation they want to test the waters with you with love and compassion, that where things can go, hmm, in this particular dynamics. So for you, this person is kind of ready to lose their independence also, up to certain degree, not completely. Yeah. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Two of Wands. You just want to put things on hold until unless you're 100% sure which direction to go. Okay. You just want to stabilize your energies because right now you're going through a lot. Internally, you are going through a lot. You are not able to maybe process all these things at once. So you just want to take a step back and understand each and everything and then move forward. That's really good energy. Really good move. Let's clarify the Two of Wands. We have the Page of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. See, it's like slow and steady. You just want to open up your heart to new people, new energies, new experiences of your life so that you can balance your life in a beautiful and positive way. But you want to take it slow and steady. One step maybe in 2 days, one step maybe in 3 days or 1 week. So it's like you want to open up your heart and energies to new things, new experiences, new energies, the stable and safe and secure ones, one day at a time. You just don't want to rush towards anything or anyone and, just explode. No, that's really, really good energy. Very stable, very grounded, very mature, very understanding, right? Because we are so hurt right now. You just don't want to get hurt more. Hmm. Nice. Let's see what's coming forward towards it till the 6th of April, Gemini. What could be the possible outcome of the situation? We have the Hierophant. It's like you finding a guru or mentor or somebody who is going to help you to go to the next level of your life. For some of you, for others of you, you connecting more and more with your higher self. Let's clarify the Hierophant. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Ten of Wands, the Justice, right? So you will be able to let go of something or someone that's weighing you down from quite a long time now, and you will start balancing your life, balancing your own life out. You will start doing the right things, even if it is going to hurt you or bother you. You are going to just listen to your higher self, and you're going to do exactly what needed to be done. So maybe you are doing it from long time now, but this time you are going to make sure that you are going to do everything right in order to make your life go to the next level with a very balanced kind of energy, without any kind of past baggages, without any kind of past history. You just are erasing the history here completely in a very, very balanced kind of energy, in the way that justice is being served to you from yourself, by yourself, to yourself. Very good. So you're going to make sure the justice is being served. Hmm? And this time, even if it is going to hurt you or bother you or, make you feel like shit, you are just going to listen to your higher self, and your higher self is going to guide you to do exactly what needed to be done in this direction. Wow. So this whole situation is actually sending you to your spiritual growth, consciously or unconsciously. For you, the guidance is the Three of Swords, honey. You're hurt. You're going through a lot at this moment. Do not ignore these feelings. Go through them. Let them pass. One like this too shall pass, Gemini. Nothing is permanent in this on this planet Earth. You, me, this life, this pain, nothing. Hmm? Neither happiness nor pain. But do not avoid it. You are not doing it anyway. Just a gentle reminder: do not avoid the pain. Go through it with like if you feel like crying, just cry. If you feel like going outside and taking a break from everyone, just do that. Don't numb yourself, don't numb this pain so that you don't feel anything, because it's going to explode in the coming future if you're going to do all this thing of alcohol or distracting yourself with multiple things and multiple energies, and Just don't just trying not to feel anything. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Go through this pain. Let it hurt you, and that's how you heal, right? Let it hurt and let it heal. Hmm? Best of luck, and I'm sending you a lot of love and blessings from my side. You will definitely be able to like go through this. This too shall pass. Love you. Ciao. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.